Did you know that many of today's vehicles have advanced driver assistance systems, also known as ADAS? These are a family of advanced safety systems designed to work together to assist in the reduction of collisions and injuries. These innovative systems enhance vehicle safety by adapting to the surrounding environment, automating certain functions, and warning the driver to potential issues. Some ADAS features use front-facing cameras mounted on or near the windshield to enable many of these safety systems to properly aid, warn, and in some cases, take control of the vehicle to assist drivers. When your windshield needs to be replaced, you need a trusted expert that has the capability to recalibrate these safety systems to ensure proper operation and safety. That's where the team at Safelite AutoGlass comes in. Safelite provides both windshield replacement and recalibration service that ensures your advanced safety systems are working optimally. The type of recalibration needed will depend on your vehicle. It may require the vehicle to be brought into our shop for the recalibration, or driving the vehicle on well-marked roads to complete the process. Advanced safety systems have been put in place to keep you and your family safe and secure, and you can count on Safelite AutoGlass to keep it that way. For more information, visit safelite.com.